Today we're here with Armando, the maintenance supervisor at Melrose Park, Illinois. We're going to help Armando beautify the buildings here in town and all the aluminum surfaces with brand new aluminum restoration solution. I'm very excited. Let's get started. Hey Armando.
How you doing, man?
Good, good to see you again.
Same here.
Look what I brought. All new, brand new aluminum restoration solution.
Okay.
Should we give it a shot?
Let's go.
Well, let's go.
Give it a shot.
All right. This looks like a good spot.
Yeah.
Should we try this?
Let's go.
Okay.
Let's try it.
We just wipe it on like this. Real steady stroke. No scrubbing.
Well, that looks pretty easy.
Yeah, that's all there is to it.
Okay.
You want to give it a try?
Yeah, let's go.
All right.
Give it a try. My name is Armando Iannelli. I'm maintenance and electrical supervisor for the Village Melrose Park, but I've been in the business almost all my life. In all my years in maintenance, I never had a product that works this well and this easy. It saves a lot of time and money, and I think it looks pretty good. Hey, Kenny, how you doing, man? Nice to see you again. How you been?
Good, good.
Listen, I got this new product from Old New. I'm gonna bring your doors back to life again.
Let's just see what you got.
Kenny, it's very simple, man. Easy to do. Watch this.
We feel that the fire department represents the village you live in and work in. You always like to keep it looking in tip-top shape.
What do you think, man? Pretty easy, huh?
Can I give it a shot?
Yeah.
Here at the fire department, we do a lot of cleaning and maintenance on our vehicles and our building. So Armando came in today. He had a brand new product from All New. We just put on a rag, wiped it on the door. It brings back the shine of when it was first painted.
Thank you to Melrose Park, Illinois for hosting All New in your beautiful city today. Get ready, we're coming to a city near you soon.